Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm using MS Office PowerPoint. So that was a desktop computer. So you're gonna search it in a Google Chrome. Search Globe SIM card registration. Once the display, you're gonna click the SIM card registration and then put your cell phone number, and then the cell phone number will be based to verify whether it is your mobile phone, and then they send you code. So that was a password code for this SIM card registration. Once the code will be sent to you by Globe, you're gonna insert it and then send it. So the display will be, it's all about your identity. You need to fill up all the requirements so that the Globe company know more about you, about your identity. That's all. And then once you fill out all, you're gonna click next, and then that was the time to upload your ID, photo, and photo picture. Once again, I'm using PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint, to resize my picture and my ID. So that was an example. So I put the ID picture and the photo picture. That was an example only. Hope it will help a lot. Once you uploaded and success, you need to check the box. That was the time that you agree the terms and conditions of Globe prepaid SIM card registration, and then you send it again. Once you submit it, you need to wait for the Globe SIM card registration to send you a message just like this. They give you a reference number, so it is a lifetime reference number. Once you need help, you need to put your reference number so that your identity will verify again. So thank you so much. I hope it will help a lot. Again, this is Nonoy. Support my YouTube channel.